Kelly, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usinike ithuba lokukhuluma nawe la emsakazweni uKhoza FM kwezemidlalo. Ngibonga nje nokuthi usibekezelele silokhu ke sifisa sicela ukukhuluma nawe namhlanje wasuthi cha kulungile singakhuluma. Ngicela ukunikeza ithuba ubingelela abalaleli bokhozi kakhulukazi abathandi bezemidlalo.
Ngithanda ukubingelela kakhulu abalaleli bokhozi nabathandi bezemidlalo. I never thought empilweni yami ngizithola ngikhuluma kwezemidlalo.
Yani
Akaze nje ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyokhuluma kwezemidlalo ngagcina ngilesho kaRobert leyase TV nje leyasemsakazweni cha.
Inhloso yethu nje ukuzwa uhlangothi lwakho siliqale emuva la impilo isemnandi ukuthi naniphila kamnandi nosenzo and record nama video and so on. All of a sudden boom kwangathi kwehlifela umnyama eSouth Africa. Asiqale nisaqala ukujwayelana ukuthi kambe vele usenzo noKelly baqhamuka kanjani?
Hayibo bakithi angazi nje ngicabanga indaba ukuthi ngahle ngihlangane nomdlali webhola ngoba angiyona ifan yezemidlalo. So mangihlangana naye it was through umngani wethu. We had a mutual friend who was introduced her over the phone. I think babehleli besekempini bebukela iTV kanti ngizovela ku-TV wayesefonela umngani wakhe hey welusha awungixhumanise nalowo mngani wakho saxhumana kanjalo.
Ngesikhathi ke nixhumana uthando lugcine seluba semphakathini wonke umuntu esebona ukuthi hayi bayi item labantu bobabili ungayichaza njengempilo ebinjani?
Sithandanile kakhulu mina no senzo kakhulu futhi kodwa ke lokho akusho ukuthi inkinga besingenazo. Inkinga bezithale zikhona kube nokungazwani every now and then like any couple would, but more than anything bekunokuzwana kakhulu futhi kunokuxolelana and also kunoku-understandana ukuthi at the end of the day singabantu and we go through challenges and we just have to love and accept each other for who we are.
Ngifisa sifike lana ke kuthenini vele ngesikhathi nithandana bebekhona abantu bebethi hayi asifuni laba bathandane beyibeka izathu ezihlukene bekufika yini lokho kuwena?
Bekufika abantu bebekhuluma into zabo eziningi kakhulu ukuthi hayi uKelly no senzo akuyona into engafani efana ngabe iyahlangana, but at the end of the day angisumuntu mina othanda ukumamela abantu. In fact anginendaba nje abantu bacabangani ngempilo yami nokuthi bafuna ukuthi ngenzeni ngempilo yami, so lokho azange kungi-affect in a way.
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi khona isikhathi nithola umntwana, emva kokuthola umntwana music wise career yakho bihamba kahle kwaphuma ingoma engicabanga ukuthi mase siyibuka emuva kokwenzeka yaphuma lengoma sina we kwangathi kanti ibiyisiprophetho sentembe ebizokwenzeka.
Hayibo usenzo wayekhona e-studio mangenza lengoma. In fact uyena oyengiphelekezele kwaChikothwala, and ever since ezwa leyo ngoma he was so excited and he just wanted to make sure ukuthi wonke umuntu amaziyo uyayizwa lengoma ngoba ubeyithanda ngalendlela noma sengilaunch i-album usenzile khona. So bekuwumuntu who was very supportive, and mase ngiyibuka manje after lesenzakala senzeka iba ngathi ingoma yayiyisiprophetho kodwa besingazi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani ngaleso sikhathi.
Ngicela ukubuyisela emuva kancane usuku lolu olwesehlakalo mawuliqala ekseni nje kwakuusuku olinjani nani ke naxoxa?
It was such a beautiful day. Angiziqamba banga kwakuyilanga elihle kakhulu. Sivuke ekseni siyahleka. I was on the phone call nodadewabo. Sihleka nje ngezinto zama-couples. In fact besidonana ngama-couples. Sisuka lapho we were preparing to go to my performance. Bengine performance eDorosinyembe eSoweto. Sonke sahamba usenzo make sure he was there because ubengasebenzi ngalelo langa. From lapho sahamba sayekhaya ngokuma we had a culture of, we still have that culture yokuthi njalo ngesonto uma uyapheka sihlangane simndeni kukhulunywe kwenziwa ama-jokes kudliwe kujatshulwe nje. So ilanga lelo langa lalinjengalelo langa.
Ngiyazi ukuthi asinaso isikhathi esiningi ndawonye ngizonqamlela nje kakhulu kwafika isimo ke sonke sasishaqe eningizimu Afrika ngikhumbula ukuthi masehla ngangise Newcastle nga drive imoto ngingazi ukuthi ngiyofunana eGoli ngaze inqondo yami yabuya mangingena eGoli ekseni kusakukhanya ukuthi sengisegoli ngasale sengihamba ngiya la kunabadlali bePirates khona kodwa ngizama ukusho ukuthi umonakalo wawumkhulu kakhulu sithathe usibeke Ukelly khumalo ojabulile nosenzo boom nasi sehlakalo ithini inqondo yakho yini eyenzeke ekhanda kuwe ngaleso sikhathi
ngiyazi ukuthi sekudlule mhlambe iminyaka eyisithupha lokhu kwenzeka kodwa njalo mangikhuluma ngakho kuba ngathi nje
ngilalela nkosazana hello
ngiyaku
nxese sisi nxese
my whole world was torn apart umhlaba wami wama wonke and in my life I never thought into kanje would ever happen to me mhlambe kulula mangabe umuntu umbona egula uyilungiselela ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzohamba kodwa makuyinto kanje iba isilonda esingasoze saphola
thina konke sikwaziyo sikwazi ngokufunda nokuzwa abantu ababekhuluma futhi ngiyazi ukuthi udaba lolu luse udaba oludaba lwenkantolo noma lophenyo lamaphoyisa ngoba likafika enkantolo kodwa yini ongafisa ukusitshela yona kusuka ngesikhathi sesehlakalo kuze kufike la umbone ephuma umphefumulo
angazi ukuthi ngiqale ngakuphi ngoba for mina lento bekuyinto engayilindele and ma umphefumulo uzophuma bengingaphandle esibhedlela ngithandaza ngicela uNkulunkulu ukuthi whatever that he wants to do may he spare my daughter's father's life more than anything into ebengiyifuna mina empilweni ukuthi usenza phile and uthingo lenkosazane akhule enobaba amazi ubaba wakhe futhi usenzo was a very hands-on father. He's a very present and loving father, and I wouldn't have wanted uthingo ukuthi akhule ngaphandle kwakhe.
Emva kwesehlakalo ke makhumalo kube khona la ukuthi seyiningizimu Afrika kwangathi sithatha isinqumo sokuthi yonke lento eyenzakalayo iphutha likaKhelly khumalo ukuba kusile iphutha likaKhelly khumalo ngabe mhlamba kwenzakalanga unfair
lami kanjani kodwa ebengathanda ukwazi ukuthi iphutha kanjani iphutha lami kanjani iphutha lami ukuthandwa usenzo
exactly unfair as it was ngifisa ukuthi singene manje kuhlangothi likaKhelly khumalo neningizimu Afrika evele yathatha isinqumo ngokwayo ngaphandle kokuthi izicabanga ukuthi umama wendodakazi kaSenzo lo isithandwa sikaKhelly khumalo lesihambile umuntu umama waseningizimu Afrika lo esikhuluma ngayo futhi uKhelly khumalo
angiboni ukuthi iSouth Africa icabangile konke lokho and kodwa ke iSouth Africa azange ize isukele ifuna ukubeka mina amabala I think abantu abadlale kakhulu indima yabo of driving South Africa to hate me as much as they do umndeni kaSenzo bathathe ihate yabo that they've projected to me for years and spread it around to everyone into believing ukuthi mina ngingaba nesandla ekufeni kobaba wendodakazi yami ene kakhulukazi ngithi mangicabanga lento ngibona ukuthi nabo babe nesandla ukuthi kuze kufike lesikhathi samanje ababulali bakasenzo bengatholakali, because i-focus yabo ibekutheni asitholeni uKelly guilty of this. Bakhohlwa abantu ababulali bangempela. So they projected so much hate in me, and they wanted South Africa to hate me as well.
Ukhulumile ngendaba yomndeni kaSenzo. Nawo futhi ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kukhona ukukhuluma kwakukhona. Unakho yini ukuthi ufisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ingane ngakwazi ukuyobona la kuphuma khona ubaba wakhe, mhlambe nixoxe njengomndeni ukuthi kahle hle sonke la senkingeni ake silalelane, unaso isifiso sinjalo?
Ake ngithi nje Ivan, too late for that. Too late, umbonakalo osuwenzakalile. Umndeni kaSenzo ungibhiqile ngamagama, wangethwesa izinto engingazazi for a very long time. And I think I'm at the point in my life where I have forgiven them and I have moved on. uNkulunkulu wabo uzodila nabo ngendlela azodila nabo ngayo. So angisiboni isidingo sokuthi mina nomndeni kaSenzo fanele sihlale phansi sikhulume yiphi into esingayikhuluma bona when they've made up their minds ukuthi yimina enginesandla ekseni kwengane yabo, futhi akaze bangithanda bengibiza amagama. Mawungangena ku Google, into ezimbi kakhulu ezikhulunywe ngami zivela emndenini kaSenzo. So angisiboni isidingo sokuthi fanele kuhlale asiwona umndeni, futhi asoze sibe umndeni.
Kodwa mhlambe isintu sihambe sidinga ukuthi ingane iye kwameyiwa, uthini ngalokho?
Ingane yakwakhumalo Ivan. Uthingo lwenkosazane uzokwazi ngobaba wakhe mayisekhula, kodwa ingane yakwakhumalo asiyazi inhlawulo yakwameyiwa, asibazi abakameyiwa bengena la kwakhumalo bezosholeza ngomonakalo ukuthi sekuvela ingane kwakhumalo. So angiyiboni isidingo sokuthi khona into efanele siyikhulume.
Uyalabe ngisathi ngifisa ukuyakhona ukuthi manje ingane izokhula and isesimeni la internet ikhuluma izinto eziningi. Usuke wathola ithuba lokutshela kancane ukuthi
uthingo usekhulile, una 6 months, unemibuzo and uyafuna ukwazi ngobaba wakhe. So izinto engimthatha ngimfake kuzona kancane ngoba at the end of the day into engayifuni ukubombard ingane nge-information too much, ngoba ukufa kababa wakhe it's not an easy thing. So you can't just bombard her with information. She's still 6 years old. So for now she knows that baba wakhe is in heaven. That's how you introduce izinto ezinjengokufa enganeni.
Okay, asizelana ekuthenini kulezi insuku uthe sengikulungela ukukhuluma, ngingakhuluma ngalolu daba. Ngasohlangothini lakho yini ongafisa ukuyitshela abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ababhekana nesimo esithi asicishe sifane nesakho?
Baningi we-Ivan, ngoba ngithema ngiposta le video ngiyipostile, bavela abantu abaningi abalahlekelwe yihlobo zabo okuwukuthi umthetho awukwazanga ukubasiza. Abantu abalahlekelwe yihlobo zabo iminyaka, even more than 6 years. Omunye was talking about 12 years. Omunye was talking about 20 something years. So okusobala ukuthi umthetho wethu, as much as siuthemba umthetho wethu is not doing what they meant to be doing. And into worse ukuthi kuleli cala kaSenzo abacaci ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ivan, ever since the investigation started, kushintshwa abaphenyi every now and then. Lizotholakala kanjani iqiniso abaphenyi beshintsha kangakanani? Siyofika nini ekutheni ukuthi kutholakale abantu ababulala uSenzo mangaba abaphenyi information iloku iluzeka through abantu abaphenyayo?
Ngifisa ukubheka ukuthi kongqongqoshe bebelokhu bekhona njengoba bebelokhu beshintsha, ngicabanga ukuthi owesithathu lo mangalenza iphutha noma ke o-commissioner bamaphoyisa usukwaba nalo ithuba, usukwaba nalo ithuba nje lokuthi uhlale noyedwa ahlale nawe mhlambe ezungqongqoshe athi ngicela ukukhuluma nawe makhumalo
Akekho umuntu oke wathi ongqongqoshe oke wathi ufuna ukukhuluma nami. Into abayaziyo ukuya kuma radio stations, baye ko TV, bathembisa umphakathi ukuthi bazothola ababulali bakasenzo bese beyathula. So every person of ongqongqoshe wezokuphepha bangena ngaleli cala likasenzo, bafuna ukuyibona ukuthi babalekile ngaleli cala likasenzo, but at the end of the day abawenzi umsebenzi.
Ngibuke ku Instagram labo ukhuluma khona waveza futhi ukuthi ngokwakho umthetho waseNingizimu Afrika umuntu wesifazane unokumcindezela
kakhulu Ivan.
Ukushiso yini lokho?
Akuyona i-first encounter yami ne justice system in South Africa. The senzo's case is not the first one. Ngingekaba ku abusive relationship la ngangishawe khona almost to a pulp. Mangihamba ngiya police station ngiyovula icala. Usayitsheni waye lapho wathi kumina ngicela sisubuyele ekhaya uyelungisa indaba zakho no boyfriend wakho. Ngishayiwe nginjalo. So umuntu wesifazane eSouth Africa is either mangabe kufa umyeni wakho uba yi number 1 suspect, or ushayiwe ubuyisele ekhaya kuthiwa ahambe uyelungisa indaba zakho no muntu who is trying to kill you. So the law in the justice system in South Africa is not in favor of a woman or South African citizens.
Asivaleke ngokuthi uke wabeka ukuthi kukhona incwadi okwayibhala ngodaba likasenzo uyibhalela amaphoyisa, kodwa uthi ayikho impendulo ebuyayo.
Ayikho.
Ungasitshela mhlambe kafushane ukuthi ubuthini encwadini?
Encwadini ngangisho ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi bangaqhubeka nophenyo, and into bengiyicela ukuthi my family and I are also not feeling safe with all the accusations. Can they come out in public and be open about what's happening with the senzo meyiwa case?
Okay, umbuzo ke wokugcina ngaso hlangothini lamaphoyisa. Ngokwakho nomndeni nakho konke okwenzeka, wena usubanike konke obucabanga ukuthi kungasiza ekuthenini egcineni lolu daba lugcine mhlambe luye enkantolo kube khona abantu ababoshwayo, nokuthi kuthini kuwe ukuphila nokwazi ukuthi umuntu owangena ekhaya kwabakhona isehlakalo sokuthi kushona umuntu ekhaya akakaboshwa uhamba ngaphandle?
Lalela lonto leyo ayikho lula, because njalo sihamba you know, when you're looking over your shoulder awazi ukuthi ubheke ubani futhi awazi ukuthi ulandele ubani. So in terms of the safety, asazi siphephe kangakanani, and akukho lula ukuphila impilo ungazi ukuthi uphephe kangakanani. And as far as myself giving whatever information that I can possibly give to the investigation officers, I have given my all. I have given everything as I can possibly give. And also, into engimangazayo ayizini ukuthi lapha endlini kwakunama fingerprints abantu laba bangena endlini bathatha impilo kasenzo. Kuba kanjani ke ukuthi abantu bomthetho abakhona ukuthola ama fingerprints walewo bantu? Phezu kwalokho kwakunesigqoko esasala from the intruders that they could have used ukuthola DNA yalowo muntu loyo. So kuza kanjani ukuthi ababulali bakasenzo abakatholakala namanje?
Right, asibambelana amakhumalo. Sibonga kakhulu nje ukuthi ukhulume nathi emsazweni uKhozi FM. Sengaba ukuthi ke makhono kodwa obufisa ukusho engakubuzanga ngikunikezele lo thuba. Mina ngokwami ngibonga kakhulu ukuthi ukhulume nathi kuKhozi kwezemidlalo.
Ngibonga mina kakhulu Ivan, and ngibonga ukuthi for once kube ne-interview efocus at mina, kungabi ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuthola i-viewership noma bafuna ukuthola ama-ratings nge-story kasenzo. Futhi into engiyifisayo ngale interview ukuthi mhlawumbe umuntu obalulekile somewhere would listen to this and push the justice system to do something about ukushona kasenzo.
Siyabonga, sikufisela konke okuhle empilweni.
Ngiyabonga.
Thank you.
Bye.